reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents, to ignoring traffic SS, or chaotic collisions due to out of control. Trucks are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. Buckle up and let's get started. Maybe he was trying to practice a sport. The landing was perfect. This woman got her license today and it looks like she needs to retake it completely. Don't lose focus when filling up gas. Many people forget to lock their cars, making it easy for thieves to break in. This dog is trying to fix his owner's car by biting it off. Always keep a cool head when collisions happen on the road. Who knows, you will keep yourself and your car safe. This is probably an example. An illegal race between two Ferrari supercars in the Italian countryside. Unfortunately, both cars flew up and crashed into the fence at the same time, which drivers suffered minor injuries, but both cars were completely burned. Oh my god, she pulled off the perfect turn.
His brakes are failing, they're overheated, going left and right, because he didn't stop at the top. Here we go, here we go. Bang, 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 bang. Saw it coming. I saw it coming. Saw it coming. He didn't stop and this is what happened.
It is puzzling why this driver would attempt to drift in such a remote and narrow place. Always be careful when getting out of your car, especially in a crowded place, because you can lose the door at any time. When you can only afford the car and you don't have the tiresome. According to reports, the driver of a Chrysler PT Cruiser stopped in the middle of the newly opened toll lane, and to begin backing up an oncoming dump truck swerved to avoid the PT Cruiser and crash into the center barrier, exploding. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a wild scene when the tractor lost control and went at high speed.
He was working to both assassinate his character and himself in a sympathetic light.
I lost a wife, okay? That over being the persecuted, and it's very hard, okay, to mourn.
Stetsik, police arrest 4 suspects is after high-speed chase on Florida Pike, a clear warning to anyone considering committing a crime. road is known as the most dangerous road in the city because every few hours there will be an accident, in your opinion. What is the reason? Please comment and let us know. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.